Okay, here I'm going to go through the instructions for Word Project 1 to make sure that you understand what it is that I'm looking for. So you're going to research one of the following topics, and you can look at this, a new technology topic, or how technology is used in your field of study, and then create a Word document that contains the following. So here you see what it has to contain, and on the right how many points that's worth in the rubric. So it have to have at least 4 paragraphs and 300 words that are well written, accurately describe the topic. It's a research paper. There shouldn't be any like the word I with lowercase and abbreviations or things like that. You can use, your spell check and your grammar check that's down here to make sure that all that information is correct. It should be neatly formatted with single spacing and one blank line between paragraphs. Again, use your spell check and grammar check. The font of the entire document should be Arial font size 12, and the title of the document should be different. It should have a font size of 16. It should be center aligned, and you should change the font color. Each section of the document, and each section might have 1 paragraph under it or 2 paragraphs under it. I'll show you my example in a minute. Must be preceded with a heading. Use heading 1 style and bold the heading. You have to have page numbers at the bottom of the page. The margin should be adjusted as follows. You have to have a bulleted list with at least 2 items. You can read the details here. And you do need to have a cover page on your research paper. Don't make your own cover page. Word has the ability to create cover pages. There is a video in the lecture material that shows you how to do it using Word, so be sure that you do that correctly. And then save your document as your last name, like in my case, Sorrentino Project 1. So make sure you use that file name. I'm checking to make sure that you understand how to save files under a given name. So let me go to my document. Here's my cover page, Technology Trends in Two-Year Colleges, with my name. Now here I'm going into the document. You can see my title. You can see here my section headings, right? Everything's nice and neat. 1 blank line right between each of the paragraphs. Here's my bulleted list, and here's my page number at the bottom of the page. When you use a cover letter, it starts your page numbers on the first actual page of the document. I'm sorry, cover page, not cover letter. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in Project 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.